Hello, welcome back to Abstract and Flow. Davetta here, and we are going to try another beautiful pour with a beautiful light blue violet base. We're going to add some Pebeos, Iridescent Gold, Quinacridone, Magenta, and Golden's Phthalo Blue. So I'm going to get my base on the canvas and we're going to get this pour started. So I want my petals to hopefully to be mainly blue. Let's torch this a little. I see some bubbles. So we're going to start with our phthalo blue right in the center. And we're going to add magenta. Our gold. Going to give ourselves a cushion with the blue base. Okay. And we're going to put our dryer on cool and low. I hope I have enough blue on here. That may be too much, but we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Okay, not too bad. Now, before we spin it out, let's define the petals a little more. Do a little bit of work now. You won't have to do a lot of work once it spreads out. That's what I'm thinking. So I am going to take a clean little plastic stir and see if I can just move this petal down a little like that. And this one. Okay, not too bad. All right, let's give it a little spin and see what happens. Okay, it did grow a little bit. I'm really loving that phthalo blue. Oh, wow, and that magenta is really standing out just on the little edges of the petal. Well, not edges, but the center. Oh, okay, so let's see if we can get it to open up a little more. And let's go this way. See what's going on. Okay, not too bad. Now these two don't seem to be getting any movement. So I'm going to spin it a little faster just to see if I can get some movement here without the canvas flying across the room, which has happened to me at least once. Okay. Alrighty, let's see what's going on. Now, of course, I wanted a more solid petal without the extra colors here. I'm still working, trying to, get that particular look. But I do like this. Now, I'm not crazy about this section here and that little peak there. So I think I'm going to tweak it just a bit. Let's see. going to take our, hopefully I have enough, cover this section up here. Okay, spread that out. Yeah, I like that. I like that a little better. Okay. All right. That last spin did open up this area a little bit more. And I don't mind it's going over the edge just a bit here. For the most part, I'm pretty satisfied with the colors and the composition is fairly even. Let's give it a torch because I do see some bubbles. I really love this lacing right here in the center. Yes, loving this. Okay, thank you all for tuning in today with another Rinska Bloom, Dutch Bloom. Not quite a Rinska, but I'm getting there, I think. Okay, you all have a beautiful day. Stay safe. Be blessed. See you next pour. Bye.